Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on returns processing with Returnly, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of returns processing in e-commerce. Recognize that improved return experiences can boost customer satisfaction and loyalty. Begin by visiting the Returnly website to explore their services. Sign up for a Returnly account by providing your business information. Integrate Returnly with your existing e-commerce platform using their API or available plugins. Set up your return policies to match your business model and customer expectations. Customize the return portal to reflect your brand's style and messaging. Communicate the return process clearly to your customers through your website. Enable automated return shipping labels for a seamless return experience. Use Returnly's analytics to track return trends and customer behavior. Adjust your inventory management settings to account for returned items efficiently. Implement a process for inspecting and restocking returned products quickly. Explore Returnly's instant credit feature to streamline refunds and exchanges. Promote a hassle-free return experience in your marketing materials. Analyze the data provided by Returnly to identify areas for improvement. Continuously refine your returns process based on customer feedback and insights. By following these steps, you can effectively save on returns processing with Returnly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.